Hi, another great tool to save money is to use Cost Optimization Hub. So let's dive in. First, Cost Optimization Hub allows you to identify over 15 types of AWS cost optimization recommendations, and you can access them in a single dashboard. So for example, here you have your estimated monthly savings, your resource type, top recommended action, current resource summary, and recommended resource summary. And you can filter by estimated monthly savings, resource type, and top recommended action here. And you can retrieve, for example, you can save $100 here for an EC2 instance if you migrate to Graviton from this instance here to this one. And you also have the estimated savings percentage here, the estimated monthly cost of your current cost, and the implementation effort. All the filters are here for resource type, so you can get EC2 instance, EC2 auto-scaling group, EBS volumes, ECS service, Lambda function, and all the savings plans, all the reserved instances and reserved nodes, but also RDS DB instance and RDS DB instance storage. And for the recommended action, you can have stop idle or unused resources, delete idle or unused resources, scale in idle or unused EC2 auto-scaling groups, right size, migrate to Graviton, purchase savings plans, purchase reserved instances or reserved nodes, and upgrade. You can also, with Compute Optimizer, prioritize optimization opportunities by quantifying estimated savings, incorporating your AWS pricing and discount. And finally, you can also export the recommendations in S3.